Yo, 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 Trevor Noah here, and today we're hitting the road, literally. We're about to embark on a journey that takes us through the very veins of our civilization. But hold up, we ain't talking about just any old dirt track. No, we're diving into something much more intricate and fascinating. We're diving deep into the concrete jungles, exploring the arteries of our cities, the urban roads. These roads are the lifelines that keep our cities alive and bustling. These ain't just stretches of asphalt, my friends. They're the pathways that connect us, the routes that make our daily lives possible. They are the veins and arteries of our urban giants, pumping lifeblood in the form of commerce, culture, and connection. Imagine the millions of stories that unfold on these roads every single day. From the bustling avenues of New York City to the charming boulevards of Paris, urban roads tell stories. They are the silent narrators of our daily dramas, the backdrop to our lives. They've seen it all. Empires rise and fall, revolutions spark and fade, trends come and go. These roads have been the stage for countless historical events. They are witnesses to history, silent observers of humanity's triumphs and struggles. Every crack and crevice holds a memory, a moment in time. So buckle up, folks, as we embark on a global road trip, exploring the fascinating tales etched into the pavement of our planet's most iconic urban roads. Each road has a unique story to tell, a unique perspective to offer. Get ready to see the world from a whole new perspective. We're about to uncover the hidden stories and the vibrant life that flows through these concrete rivers. First stop, Paris, the city that has inspired countless artists, writers, and dreamers. The city of lights, the city of love, and home to one of the most famous roads on the planet, the Champs-Élysées. This iconic avenue is a symbol of Parisian elegance and grandeur. Stretching like a majestic ribbon from the Arc de Triomphe to the Place de la Concorde, this grand boulevard is the epitome of Parisian chic. It's a place where history and modernity blend seamlessly. It's a parade of luxury boutiques, high-end restaurants, and historic theaters. Here you can shop at some of the world's most exclusive stores, dine at gourmet restaurants, and catch a show at a historic theater. But the Champs-Élysées is more than just a pretty face. It's a bustling hub of activity, where locals and tourists alike come to experience the vibrant energy of Paris. It's a symbol of French national pride, a stage for grand celebrations and solemn commemorations alike. From Bastille Day parades to New Year's Eve festivities, the Champs-Élysées is at the heart of it all. Remember those iconic images of victory parades after World War II? The Champs-Élysées has witnessed some of the most significant moments in French history. Yep, that's the Champs-Élysées, baby, a place where history is made and memories are created. And every year it transforms into a cycling battleground as the Tour de France reaches its dramatic conclusion. The world's best cyclists race to the finish line, cheered on by enthusiastic crowds. Walking down the Champs-Élysées is like stepping into a postcard, a sensory overload of Parisian charm and grandeur. Street performers entertain passers-by, and the aroma of fresh pastries fills the air. It's a must-do for any visitor, a chance to soak in the city's unique vibe and create some unforgettable memories. Whether you're here for the shopping, the history, or just a people watch, the Champs-Élysées has something for everyone. Next up, we're crossing the pond to the Big Apple, where we find another legendary road, Fifth Avenue. This street is not just a road. It's a symbol of New York City's vibrancy and relentless energy. This iconic street cuts through the heart of Manhattan, a pulsating artery of commerce, culture, and of course, some serious shopping. It's where the world's most luxurious brands meet the everyday hustle and bustle of city life. From the flagship stores of Tiffany & Company and Saks Fifth Avenue, where dreams are made of diamonds and designer labels, to the imposing presence of the Empire State Building and Rockefeller Center, towering symbols of architectural brilliance and ambition, Fifth Avenue is a testament to New York City's ambition and grandeur. It's a place where history and modernity coexist, creating a unique blend of old-world charm and contemporary flair. But it's not all about the glitz and glamour. Beyond the luxury storefronts and towering skyscrapers, Fifth Avenue is also home to some of the city's most prestigious museums, including the Metropolitan Museum of Art and the Guggenheim, institutions that house priceless works of art and offer a glimpse into the world's cultural heritage, showcasing the city's rich cultural tapestry. These museums are not just buildings, they are sanctuaries of knowledge and creativity, drawing millions of visitors each year. And let's not forget the history embedded in its pavement. Every corner of Fifth Avenue has a story to tell, from its early days to its current status as a global icon. Fifth Avenue has witnessed everything from ticker tape parades celebrating American heroes, moments of national pride that have brought the city together, to peaceful protests advocating for social change, reflecting the city's role as a stage for democracy and activism. It's a street that embodies the spirit of New York City, diverse, dynamic, and always on the move. Whether you're a tourist or a local, Fifth Avenue offers a slice of the city's soul, a place where every step is a part of history in the making. Now let's hop over to Asia, where we find ourselves in the vibrant metropolis of Shanghai, home to Nanjing Road, a shopper's paradise and a testament to China's economic boom. This bustling pedestrian street is a feast for the senses, a kaleidoscope of neon lights, enticing aromas, and a cacophony of sounds. It's a place where traditional Chinese architecture blends seamlessly with modern skyscrapers, creating a unique urban landscape. Nanjing Road is a microcosm of Shanghai's transformation, a symbol of China's economic prowess and its embrace of global trends. But it's also a place where you can still find glimpses of old Shanghai, from traditional tea houses to street vendors selling local delicacies. Walking down Nanjing Road is like taking a crash course in modern China, a sensory overload that captures the country's energy, ambition, and unique blend of tradition and modernity. Section 5. The significance of urban roads more than just concrete. So far, we've cruised down some of the world's most iconic roads, but let's take a step back and appreciate the bigger picture. What makes these urban roads so significant? Why are they more than just stretches of concrete and asphalt? Well, for starters, they are the arteries of our cities, facilitating the flow of goods, services, and people. They connect us to our workplaces, our homes, our favorite restaurants, and our cultural hubs. But their significance goes beyond mere functionality. Urban roads are the stages upon which the dramas of city life unfold. They are where we witness the energy, the diversity, and the pulse of urban living. They reflect the character of a city, its history, its culture, and its aspirations. They are the threads that weave together the urban tapestry, connecting us not just physically, but also socially and culturally. Section 6. Urban roads and the evolution of cities, a symbiotic relationship. As cities have evolved over centuries, so too have their roads. From the narrow, winding streets of medieval times to the wide, bustling avenues of modern metropolises, urban roads have adapted to the changing needs of urban dwellers. The invention of the automobile in the late 19th century revolutionized urban planning, leading to the creation of wider roads, traffic systems, and the rise of suburbs. The development of public transportation, from horse-drawn carriages to electric trams and subways, further shaped the layout and flow of our cities. Today, as we grapple with issues of congestion, pollution, and the need for sustainable urban development, our roads are once again evolving. We're seeing a shift towards pedestrian-friendly streets, bike lanes, and the integration of green spaces, reflecting a growing awareness of the need for livable, sustainable cities. Section 7. The future of urban roads, navigating challenges, embracing innovation. As we look to the future, urban roads face a myriad of challenges. Growing populations, increasing traffic congestion, and the urgent need to reduce carbon emissions demand innovative solutions. Smart cities are already implementing intelligent traffic management systems, using sensors and data analysis to optimize traffic flow and reduce congestion. Electric vehicles are becoming increasingly prevalent, paving the way for a greener, more sustainable future for urban transportation. And then there's the rise of autonomous vehicles, a technology that has the potential to revolutionize urban mobility, making transportation safer, more efficient, and more accessible. The future of urban roads is a fascinating frontier, full of exciting possibilities and challenges that will shape the cities of tomorrow. Section 8. Conclusion. A toast to the roads that connect us. From the grand boulevards of Paris to the bustling streets of Shanghai, urban roads are more than just stretches of pavement. They are the arteries of our cities, the stages upon which urban life unfolds, and the threads that connect us all. They reflect our history, our culture, and our aspirations, and they continue to evolve as we navigate the challenges and embrace the opportunities of the 21st century. So, the next time you find yourself strolling down a city street, take a moment to appreciate the road beneath your feet. It's more than just concrete. It's a testament to human ingenuity, a reflection of our shared history and a symbol of our interconnectedness. Section 9. Call to action. Appreciate the pavement beneath your feet. We've journeyed across continents, explored iconic roads, and delved into the past, present, and future of urban mobility. But the real adventure begins when you step outside and experience these concrete rivers for yourself. So, go on, get out there. Explore your city's streets, discover hidden gems, and appreciate the vital role these urban arteries play in our lives. And hey, next time you're navigating a traffic jam, remember the stories these roads could tell if they could talk. This is Trevor Noah signing off and reminding you to keep exploring, keep discovering, and keep appreciating the world around you, one road at a time. Peace out.